Hello and welcome everyone, and as promised in this episode we want to go and download the div C++ IDE that we need to start our journey, our programming journey. So that's the first software that you need to download. So let's go and download the software. Here I'm going to my web browser. Simply I will go to Google. Search for div C++, and if I go to this original website of div C++ by bladshed.net, this is the official website. When we go to here, and you can see that if we try to download this version, this div C++ 5, it has the support for Windows 98, NT 2000 and XP, which is quite old operating systems. So we don't want this. In fact, we will go back, and then we want to go here to the SourceForge div C++ downloads, and I have it in here, the Embarcadero div C++. So this is what we want to download. Its latest update is in March 2021, so it will work on a Windows 10, Windows 11 operating system. Let's go and open this. And now, as you can see, that we have this download button. Simply click on the download button. The download will start. Okay, the download will start in here, and I will add this hyperlink. I will add this in the video description, so you don't have to search everything on your own, and just copy and paste this URL on your browser and download the div C++ Embarcadero version. Let's wait for this download to finish. So we have downloaded this file. Let's go and open the folder. You can see that here we have it on this zip file. I can extract this file. Let's go and extract it first. Okay, and now you can see that it is extracted. We have an exe file. Double click on the exe file so we can start installing div C++. I will say yes. The user account control, maybe you cannot see it on my screen right now, but I'm gonna go and say yes. Which that I want to use is English. Okay, I agree. Maybe you want to install the full installation of div C++, so then you can click full, and then you can click next, and the installation will start and it will be installed for you. I have it already installed on my system. I'm not sure what am I supposed to do now. Maybe I will just try and install it once again. You can see the destination folder. You just need to specify which folder you want it to be installed on, and then you install it. It's going to be installed, easy as that. I'm not going to install because it's already installed on my computer. I don't want it to be messed up. And that's it. After this, we're going to open a div C++ on our computer. So now that you have downloaded and installed a div C++ on your computer, let's go to the start menu, div C++, and open this program. And here it is, the div C++ IDE for you. So basically, the very first thing that you can do is to create a new source file. So you click on this icon, like a page icon, and source file, and here you can write your code. And you can see that in div C++, because this is an IDE, the text editor that we have in here, it's a bit special. It's not like Notepad. So we also have this notepad text editor that we can use to write our code. But then in here, there's many things that we will be missing. For example, let's write integer. So integer is a keyword for the C language, and it's supposed to be recognized by the IDE so that it makes the code more readable for you. Now, if I try to read int in here, you see it's recognized. And when I try to write something inside of double quotes, this is double quotes, you can see the color of whatever text that I have written inside of the double quotes, it has changed. And this is the good thing about the IDE. That's why we are using it in the first place, because it makes our code color coded and it makes it easier for us to read. Later on, you will see this on your own and how it helps you. And that's it. That's it for this episode. Starting from the next episode, we will start writing our first code. Thank you very much and stay tuned.